feeling fit, healthy, and you are happy. In the last video, we have discussed about whether to exercise or not during periods, and I think most of you can exercise as we all are women. We can withstand little discomfort, pain, and small kind of cramps. But why not make our lives little easier by doing certain exercises which can help us to combat the premenstrual syndrome or PMS and relieve the pain during the cramps. If you are a first timer here or if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please do subscribe now. Hit the like button and push the notification button on to get notified about all my future videos. Thank you for all the support what you have given to me till now. Let's see what we can do to reduce the stress, the pain and lift our mood using certain exercises during periods and 1 or 2 days before we actually get the periods.
Baddha Konasana or bound angle pose. This opens the hips, relaxes lower body, thus stimulating the abdominal organs and general circulation. Fold your legs towards the pelvis and press the soles together. You can bring the soles more closer to groin or far depending on your comfort. If you find pain in the groin, place a pillow or bolster below each knee and rest. Take deep breath, inhale and exhale. Bend forward, extending your sternum and lower back. Supta Baddha Konasana or reclined bound angle is similar to Baddha Konasana. We lean back instead of forward. This helps to relax the abdominal muscles, ease the cramps. Lie down on the back and pull the heels together towards the pelvis. Settle at a position comfortable. Place the hands on the sides, palms facing upwards. For better relaxation, keep a bolster or pillow at the back or at both the knees. Support your head with a pillow. Slowly lower the body, close the eyes and breathe naturally. Let all the tension go. Feel the sole, thighs, back and relax. Balasana or child pose. Relaxes the tensions in the back, shoulders and neck. Calms the mind and relaxes the body. Start by sitting in Vajrasana. Keep the knees hips apart and sit on the heels. Lower the upper body, hands on to the rest, the forehead onto the mat. Keep the arm besides or behind wherever you feel comfortable. If there is strain on the hips, keep a pillow or a blanket between hips and ankles. Relax. If you want more comfort, place a pillow in the front and bend over it to relax comfortably. Stay as long as you wish. Stretching helps relaxes the muscles, especially the pelvic muscles, hips and the thighs. Janu Shirsasana or head to knee pose. This supports the reproductive and digestive system. Sit straight, bend your leg and rest the sole of your feet to the inside of your thigh. Raise the arm and bend over to the knee. Bend as much as you can. There is no rule how much your hands or head should reach. Take a pillow or a bolster on the knee so that you can heavily rest your upper body on it. bend so that your upper body is bending onto the knee, but you don't want to stretch much more than your comfort level, so keep a bolster. Viparita Karani or inverted leg pose. This improves circulation, digestion, boosts the energy levels and soothes the nervous system. Use the wall or a door. Raise the legs onto the wall and keep the whole upper body on the ground. Adjust and jiggle so that hips are as close to the wall as possible. You can keep a blanket or pillow below your behind to open up the rib cage for better relaxation. Find the variation which you like. Breathe naturally. Knee to chest stretch. This relaxes the lower back, relieves the abdominal cramp. Pull each knee towards the chest, pressing it comfortably. Pull both the knees, hold near to the chest and rock to and fro, massaging the back and hips. Rock left to right, massaging the hips and the lower back. Feel the increased blood circulation and pain relief. The cat and cow pose. This extremely relaxes the lower body and the stomach. Relaxes the shoulders too. Upper bend. Forward bend or Padahastasana. Bend in the front, lifting the arms loose and surrendering to the gravity. Bend as much as you can, letting the arms loose. This relaxes the back, thighs and legs. Neck and head loosely hanging relieves the tension, headache, relaxes the mind. End with Shavasana.